Hello YouTube. Right, this week's video, we have finally managed to get our hands on the GTS. Yes, as you can see, we have had a terrible week's worth of weather and it is finally settled down. We've also got Ed with us, Supercar Baldy, in his beautiful Lamborghini SV. Yes, I'll pop a link in the description to his YouTube channel. He's got some cool like 360 camera stuff for this and for when he had his he used to have a Huracan Evo as well, a white one. That was really, really nice. So yeah, I will in a minute take you around the car. I will show you some of the modifications that we have done. I will show you dyno plots and things, all the bits we've done with it. We'll go through some of the upgrades because we've not just done the physical upgrades, we've also done styling bits and bobs as well, so we'll go through all that. This will be a good opportunity to use our new 360 camera as well, so we will stick that on the back of the car and we'll take it around the burn and bends. I'll also send the drone up and we will get some wicked shots, so yeah, stay tuned. Right, we'll have a quick little walk around. So we put on ours the Edition 1 genuine Edition 1 aero kit, and then we got the guys at Customs Hub. They did all of this custom pinstriping. Ollie, good customer of ours, he makes these custom blades, and then again Customs Hub, they did all the styling. What else? PPF, front end PPF, oh no, I think full PPF. This one comes carbon ceramics, custom tyre letters, obviously custom exhaust system, Quicksilver with 200 cell decap downpipes, H&R springs with 10mm spacers all round, just drops it down a little, just enough, perfect fitment. And then what else? Interior, custom steering wheel, piano black with colour coded stitching and centre line. This is obviously the newer steering wheel. It just brings the interior up a little bit. Right, 1 second. Let's have a little look. Engine bay. Oh, face tracking lost me just then. Beautiful. Went for the matte carbon Venturi intakes. Obviously downpipes are back there. We went for the shielded 200 cell downpipes. This will then have the Quicksilver system installed next week with the titanium center housing. They sound brilliant. We just put one on a customer of ours, AMG GTC. So his has got exactly the same setup as ours. 200 cell downpipes and the Quicksilver system. So yeah, the guys at Customs Hub did all little colour coding to go with the carbon ceramics. Beautiful. Right, we are set up and we are ready to go. 360 camera is on. We will go and get some footage. Right guys, got to use the 360 camera. Yeah, quite impressed with it. I think there's a couple of settings I've got to sort. When you start getting to the higher RPM levels, the sound seems to cut out. So, not cut out, but I just don't think it can quite keep up. But for the most part, yeah, really, really good. Sent the drone up as well. The shots, it's a beautiful day, and we are so lucky where we are. It's a really beautiful part of the country. I will also drop in a video of it on the dyno. I'm just firing up the PC again because I will take you through what we had out of her power and torque wise, because originally she was stock, and then where is it? Here we go. So originally she did 503 horsepower stock, which is great because they're 503 horsepower stock. It did 713 newton meters, and they are 700 newton meter stock. Stage 2 at the time, 631. Excuse me, 897 newton meters of torque. This is when we just had downpipes and BMC air filters and blow-off adapters installed. We then came back to it after the Eventuris, and she jumped up again. Big jump in power and torque, literally everywhere. So again, these Eventuri systems, they are designed really, really well, and they do perform the way that they quote they do. Our car was actually the first car we bought an Eventuri for, and we wanted to test it on our car before we actually became sellers for them. So that was, you know, proof was in the pudding with that one. So yeah, really good day. It's always fun when you get to crack the car out and yeah, fly around a little bit in it. I managed to get some onboard footage as well, which you would have seen by now. So yeah, today's been a good day. Next week we've got quite a lot in. I will see what we've got, what will be good, what will be fun. Got a little bit of an engine project in at the minute. It was actually a dead C63 engine that we are stripping down because someone special will be having it and turning it into an engine table. So I might film a little bit of that. We've still got you know, heads and stuff to come off. So yeah, that will probably be the next video. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.